Hello! If you want to create DirecTV account, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own DirecTV account. Now the first step is heading over to our favorite browser, and on the address bar, we need to type directv.com and press enter. Now, if you can't see sign up button right in front of you, that's fine because it is at the bottom right corner. There is sign in. So let's scroll a bit and there is sign in. So on hovering over it, you can see watch now or account overview. Click on account overview. Now in this login screen, since we don't have a account already, we can just do don't have a user ID, create one now. The first step in registering our DirecTV account is choosing the type of TV service that we want to subscribe to. So let's select via internet or stream for now, and then these are the required information that we need to enter to get started. So first of all, billing zip code. We need to enter the zip code associated with the billing information that we are gonna enter later on. So last 4 digits of credit card. If you have one, just enter it, or you can also choose to enter the phone number on the account of yours. So once you're done, you need to click on next, and if you follow every prompt and comply with it, you will have your account registered successfully. That is all you have to do to get started with DirecTV. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or comments or any feedback regarding registration process of DirecTV account, you can drop them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.